The Mountain and the Climber. There was once a young man named Daniel who dreamed of climbing the tallest mountain in his country. Everyone in his village told him it was impossible. Some said the path was too dangerous. Others laughed, saying he wasn't strong enough. But Daniel's heart burned with determination. One morning he packed a small bag, tied his boots, and set off. The climb was hard. The sun burned his skin, the rocks cut his hands, and the cold nights made him shiver. Many times he thought about turning back. At one point he slipped and fell, injuring his leg. He cried out in pain and despair, ready to give up. But then he looked up at the mountain peak, glowing in the morning light. He whispered to himself, "The mountain is tough, but my will is tougher." Step by step, day by day, he kept moving. Every setback made him stronger. Every scar became a reminder that he was still fighting. Finally, after weeks of struggle, Daniel stood at the very top. Tears filled his eyes as he gazed at the endless horizon. The climb had changed him, not just because he reached the summit, but because he proved to himself that impossible is just a word until you conquer it. When he returned to the village, the people no longer laughed. Instead, they saw in him a symbol of courage. And Daniel said to them, "The mountain you fear to climb is the mountain that will make you stronger. Don't let doubt stop you. Start your climb." Lesson: no dream is too big, no obstacle too great. The journey may be painful, but every step forward shapes you into the person who can stand on the summit,